What's the meaning of bony? Bony. Bony.
Bony. Bony. The word bony means having a lot of bones or being thin and bony in appearance. When describing someone as bony, it suggests that they have little flesh on their body and their bones can be easily seen. It is also used to describe objects that are made of bone or have a similar appearance, such as bony fish. In medical terms, bony refers to anything related to the bones, such as a bony growth or bony structure. Overall, the term bony is used to imply something that is skeletal or characterized by bones.